Hello, back again. We're going to do a really interesting watch review. It's probably the watch I wear quite a lot, but it's exceptionally good value, and it's hard to find a watch with these kind of specs for this value anywhere, and the look of it, etc. So the watch I'm talking about is this one, and obviously we'll do close-ups in a minute. It's a watch by a company called Pagani Designs from China. It's a homage, so it's taken inspiration from the Rolex Daytona, which is a very famous watch style. And if you've got a view on Chinese copying things and things like that, then pretty much every watch manufacturer has done a homage of this watch, including Omega and all of the big brands. So they've all got their variation on this style of watch. Everybody's got their own version. This is Pagani Designs version. I think for the price it's exceptionally good. So we'll turn this around and we'll have a look. So here we have the Pagani PD-1644. You can see the style of it, like a racing style. Got polished sides. It's got screw down lugs, so you can unscrew these to the end. So that helps with the water resistance. And then this is the stopwatch, so you can do timing. You can see the second hand going round. Start and stop, reset. Now you notice it's like a mechanical start, stop and reset, although it's a quartz watch. So inside is a Seiko VK63, which is called a mecha quartz. So what we have is a quartz timekeeping, but then we have a mechanical side to it for the stopwatch and the chronograph, and tachyometer around the edge. Probably not going to be used very much, but you can time say 1 mile, start and stop for 1 mile, and that'll tell you your average speed. On the back, it's got a nice design on the back, C star and the model number. The crown is just you unscrew and set the time and the day, and pop it back in like any other watch. I got this one on a rubber strap. First time I've bought a watch that's not on a metal strap, and to be honest, I don't really prefer metal straps. I prefer fabric or rubber or sailcloth or something like that. And this strap is awesome. It's so soft, super comfy, obviously water resistant, etc. So you can just chuck it on, go anywhere you want. It's got 100 meters of water resistance, sapphire glass, 316L stainless steel. All of this will be in the notes below if you want to have a look. It's a 40mm watch, and it's got some lume, but the lume's not very good, so don't buy it for the lume. So this, as I said, is a homage to the Rolex Daytona white gold. It's got a meteorite dial. We'll do some close-ups in a minute so you can see some of the detail on the dial. Now if you want a second-hand Rolex version of this, it'll set you back about £52,000 at the moment, and for me that's not a price I want to pay for a watch. A watch is not worth that to me at all, but to some people it is, obviously, and maybe investment, it's a good investment, but for me that's just not an option. And this watch is going for, if you buy it on Amazon, I'll put links below, it's between £80 and £100, and if you buy it direct from AliExpress, and I think the meteorite dial is only available on AliExpress, at least in the UK, then you're talking about £61. So you can have all of that watch and all of that finishing and quality for about £61 on a metal or a rubber strap. That's up to you. So that's the Pagani watch. I think you agree it's a great value for money. It's a good idea for a present, or I can highly recommend the quality of it. I'll put all the links down below. None of them are affiliates. None of them are linked to me at all. It's a watch that I bought with my own money. So if you want to click on them and have a look, that's up to you. So thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, bye.